Exercise 59, question number 3. For the first part of this question, you're asked to find the voltage V after a time of 160 times 10 to the minus 6 seconds. So you can actually put those values in. Again, you can use the calculator to do that directly. Little v, which is a function of time, which is why this t appears here. Little v is the voltage after time t, or as a function of time, equals 200 e to the minus rt over L. But v turns out to be 200 e. Again, I would use the fraction button on my calculator, minus 150 times t, down a bit, t, which is 160 times 10 to the minus 6 over L, which is 12.5 times 10 to the minus 3. You can do that in one hit on the calculator. For the second part of this question, we have to take this function, v equals 200 e to the minus rt over L, which is a very common function actually. Describes the change of voltage in a circuit, an inductor circuit, as you'll see. What I need to do is to find out for part B the time for the voltage to reach a certain value. So I need to rearrange this function for t. And so I want to do that now. I suggest that you try rearranging the function before you put any values in. So, first step, divide both sides by 200. V over 200 equals e to the minus rt over L. Remember that minus means 1 over, so e to the minus x equals 1 over e to the x. So I can rewrite this as v over 200 equals 1 over e. What's going on here? E to the RT over L, positive RT over L. Now, because I have fractions both sides, and any fraction, say 1 over 2 equals 2 quarters, which is true, if I invert this side, I get 2 over 1, which is 2, equals 4 over 2, which is 2. So that is true. You can invert fractions and one side still equals the other. So I can write 200 over v equals e to the rt over L over 1, or just e to the rt over L. Now I take natural log of both sides, so the natural log of 200 over v equals RT over L. Now multiplying both sides by L, L times the natural log of 200 over v equals RT. Divide both sides by R and write t on the left. We get t equals L times the natural log of 200 over v over R. And now I can put the numbers in and work out what the time is. So t equals L, which is 12.5 times 10 to the minus 3, times the natural log, and again hit the fraction button on your calculator so that you can write 200 over v, which is 85, all over R, which which is 150 ohms. And then you should get the answer in the textbook. All over, by the way, this bit here, of course, you can write divided by to get over 50, over 150 rather.